Since we're here and you're there, it's a bit difficult for you to see exactly what our Alumilite signs really look like up close. And unfortunately, looking at pictures on a website just isn't the same as seeing the sign material in person. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what our Alumilite signs look like up close. In fact, you'll see all the important qualities and characteristics of the Alumilite sign material, including some rather interesting options you've probably never seen before. Plus, I'm going to reveal a key value point that can give all your new signs a distinct visual advantage at no extra cost. So let's get right to it, shall we? To protect the Alumilite from weathering, our sign material comes pre-painted from the factory with this unusually durable, baked-on enamel finish. Now, as you can see here, this factory-painted Alumilite is perfectly smooth across the entire surface. So when our production department transforms this smooth, finished Alumilite into signs, the images consistently turn out looking sharp and professional, even when there's so much detail. And get this, if you want to dramatically increase the brightness and visibility of your sign at night, we can digitally print any design onto reflective Alumilite. Of course, one of the most common reflective signs you see at night are plain red and white stop signs. And with digital imaging, full color Alumilite signs are now just as easy for us to make as one color signs, so there's absolutely no difference in price, no matter how many colors you want. In fact, you can even add logos and photos to your signs at no extra charge. So instead of a sign that looks rather plain, you can give all your new signs a distinct visual advantage by adding color. Now here's what the edge of the Alumilite looks like up close. This aluminum composite panel is manufactured using 2 sheets of aluminum, which are permanently bonded to both sides of a honeycomb structured plastic core. This honeycomb structure is the secret to Alumilite's panel strength and relatively lightweight properties, making it easy to install. The edges of Alumilite signs often go unnoticed, but if you'd like the ends sealed, we can frame your new sign with this deluxe plastic edge capping for a more finished appearance. Since Alumilite is completely waterproof though, the edge capping is not required. It's just an option we offer in case you want to dress up the edges of your sign. So just to recap, you've now seen exactly what our Alumilite signs really look like up close. A prime example of a full color reflective sign. Plus, you've learned that you can now get extra colors on your sign at no extra charge. And finally, how the deluxe edge capping can give your new Alumilite signs a nice finished appearance. In the next video, we're going to quickly cover 2 critically important aspects of Alumilite. First, I'll show you the complete range of sizes that are readily available. And second, you'll see exactly how to choose the right thickness of Alumilite for your particular sign. Plus, I'll reveal another key value point that will show you how to compare sizes in order to get the best overall value. I'm Beth. Thanks for watching.